Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily print your work in AutoCAD. It's very easy, you can even go with selected areas, so we are going to show it to you right now. As you take a closer and good look in our AutoCAD, we see that on top left corner we have this printer option. It's a universal icon for everything that you want to print out. So I want to click on this little icon, and it will show us all the options that we really need. So page setup, printer or plotter. I don't have printer connected, but it's not only for printing. You can also duplicate the option of saving as right now, because you can send it through fax, AutoCAD PDF, just like that, and it will save you as a PDF option. High quality print and yada yada yada. Those are the options. If you want to get printed your work by professionals, so maybe you have to go with printing on a paper that is larger than a normal or widely publicly used or publicly used printer. You want to also go with high quality print and many more options that we have: web and mobile, smallest file, high quality, and many more. Then we have paper size, obviously, so we can check from all of these. It strongly depends on the paper and strongly depends on which machine you want to print it. What to plot: display, extends, limits, or window. Fit to paper, obviously, right now. Then we have plot style table, shade, plot options, portrait, landscape, and that's basically it. If you want to use it easily, you can go with none, because my system doesn't recognize any printer. One node, and yeah, it's completely up to you how you want to use it. I strongly recommend you using this option, high quality, and then if you hit enter, it will go into your computer, and that's it. It's PDF, it will automatically show you the PDF, and with this PDF you can take it and show or bring it to your printing center in your city and make it print. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.